Hey friends. All right, today we're going to learn a new letter. So that's going to be our second letter for the week. Today we are going to learn the letter H. This is capital H and lowercase h. H says, can you do that? Can you put your hand in front of your mouth and say, H says, good. All right, so let's look at our silly story, of course, about the letter H. There was a horsey in the field. And he was running like crazy. And he got so tired that he fell down. He was so tired he had to take a little nap. And he said, right? So he was so out of breath and so tired that he had to say, so the letter H says, good. H is for horse, horse, hat, hat, house, house, and helicopter. Helicopter. Good. To write the letter H for capital H, you do a pull down, go over a little bit, do another pull down, and then a push across in the middle. For lowercase h, pull down with a hump. Capital pull down. Well, it's pull down and then a push across. Pull down with a hump. All right, guys, so remember our story for the letter H is that there was a horsey and he was running real fast all through the field and he was acting crazy and all of a sudden he fell down and he said, because he was out of breath. All right, guys, see you later. Bye, friends.